one particular doctor, Dr. Femi Rotifa, right? They say he collapsed and he can't die. Not just say he collapsed, he just collapsed. Now he died. For Rivers State University Teaching Hospital, ladies and gentlemen, for the core room. And what it happened? They say after he don't work his shift, work, he don't close. Now his superior say we are going down. Come back and continue working. Say,
where go at you?
I don't tire. I say okay, work. Now so allegedly the guy to work for 72 hours. Femi was a surgery resident doctor.
You see now?
Rivers State University Teaching Hospital. They say he was also the former president of Port Harcourt University Medical Students Association.
One thing for sure is that no amount of money can buy life.
Right.
People where they hear me, when you get to a point, okay, no verse, keep your job. I need my sanity. Because this person now, if he had refused, he may still be alive.
Okay.
But now, because under the threat of, I'm your boss, go back to work. So he's gone.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.